If you're a library professional and/or grad student like me, perhaps you need a little break every once in a while. Today, I'd like to invite you to join me in a guided meditation intended to calm, rejuvenate, and support you. As we get started, go ahead and settle yourself into a comfortable position. Sit either in a chair or on a cushion on the floor. If you feel comfortable doing so, close your eyes or gently fix your gaze on a single spot on the floor. Let's begin by taking a few slow, even breaths to bring awareness to our body and the moment. Breathe in through your nose, and when you exhale, do so with an open mouth. Try to extend your breath for an inhale of 5. Hold that breath for a count of 3, and lengthen your exhale to a count of 5. Let's try that together. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. And let's do that a total of 5 breaths. Feel your chest rise and fall with each breath. And focus on the air as it moves through your nostrils, into your chest, and out. Now that we are aware of ourselves, bring your attention to your physical body. Notice any sensations you may be having, such as the weight of your body in the chair or on the floor. Notice the sounds around you. Then let's begin to shift our awareness from our surroundings to our internal thoughts. Let's go on a mental vacation. Imagine, as you continue to breathe in and out, where is the place you feel most safe? Maybe this is a home of a friend or your favorite park. Imagine a place that reminds you of joy and peace and where you feel most yourself. Go to this place in your mind. What do you see here? Is it a sunny day, or is it a little bit windy? What are the smells around you? Pine trees and your favorite food, or perhaps salt air and the sound of seagulls? Picture an object from this place that you can touch or hold. What does that feel like? Take 2 deep breaths in and out as you enjoy your stay here. What are your emotions in this place? Take a moment to savor that pleasant experience. Do you feel delighted, excited, rested? Think about the things you enjoy that make you happy about this place. The people or the feelings of warm sun around you. Immerse yourself in this place. Bring it back from your memory and into the present moment. Whenever you need a break, you can pause life briefly and go to your place. This brief escape can bring you peace, comfort, and strength. The stresses of life are still all around you, but you are choosing to focus on a positive experience and appreciate the joy in life. Directing your attention to things you choose is an important step in mindfulness. Now take a moment to return your attention to your breath and the present moment. Thank yourself for taking this time for your mental health. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and return to where you are. In the future, when you are overwhelmed or need a moment for yourself, take a 5-minute break to return to this place of positive feeling and enjoy it all over again. I hope you have enjoyed this guided meditation and it helps you to improve your state of mind and your day.